that's going to make this world a better place.
Say that.
Together and individually. But it takes each and every one of us to have our minds in the right place. And tonight we're going to be in the right place. So when you leave here, we all will be able to take everything that we came to tonight in agreement with, and we will take it back to our homes, to our families, and to our communities, and spread the information and the love and the focus of all of us being together, unified, which is what Umoja means. Unity. Unity.
We want to make tonight an interactive night too, y'all. We ain't just going to be caught responsible. We going to make tonight interactive tonight. So tonight, everybody got a responsibility. Everybody got their phones with them? Yeah. You got your phones with you?
We're going to use them phones tonight. We want y'all to use your phone, but just put them on silent.
Everybody going to leave with after night. So day night. We're going to make sure we're just going to sprinkle your mind just a little taste. Find out your job is, so starting now, get this something right off the top, like the good school teachers do. Get on Google, find out the day you was born. All you do is go to the calendar, put your date, the date you was born in there, in the year. So you can see the day, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so forth. We're going to give you an African day name, just like we was given. It wasn't nothing special, it's the day that you was born, that's how you get your first African day name, which spread us on to get rid of them colonial, colonized names at the same time, because that's the first thing that we got to wonder. Our elders also instructed us as well to start trying to figure out, give me these European names, but we're going to get into that later on, so I'm just giving y'all your assignment. Just phone out, find out your birthday today.
The birthday.
Go down the line today, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever day you was born on, we're going to give you that day. And it'll be from West African Khan language.
Because we all came through the West Africa. We all came through there, and we were taken away from Africa. All right? So now we're going to do libation. We're going to start with libation to make sure we open a portal for our ancestors to be here and protect us while we're together and when we leave.
Start with libation, y'all, which is bring in, welcome the ancestors in. I always invite your ancestors in with the spirit of water.
Oh, y'all, pay attention.
Everybody pay attention. Welcome the ancestors in with the spirit of water. And we start out as instructed by our Baba Dr. James Smalls, doing in all the directions, which we come from north, south, east, west, north, east, south, way in the circle. So we start out paying homage to our ancestors in the north.
That's right.
Those we know, those we don't know. Start off, even our ancestors from to the east.
I see.
Bring them down to the south. Our ancestors all the way from the south. We know a lot of suffering in the south.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of untold suffering in the south. So we got to be strong for the south. Where our roots are, the strongest connection to Africa we have in the United States is here in the south. I say.
I see.
In the west. In the west. Ancestors, all our ancestors in the west.
I see.
Now, at this time, we want everybody to participate. Like we say, we're interactive. We call a response by our ancestors. This time, all of us together. It don't have to be in unison or nothing like this, but as we do our shares, we want to call out the name of your ancestors going on before you. Whether you know them or not, if you just even think about it, just call their name out and just let their name ring, and we'll pour water in the plant to worship their, bring in their spirit.
Like to hear more.
Jackie Robinson.
Say it loud, y'all.
Catherine Ward.
Ashe.
Bertha Love.
Ashe.
Mother Nappi.
Ashe.
Willie Williams.
Ashe. Margaret Smith. Ashe.
Margaret Booker.
Ashe.
Eddie Johnson.
Ashe. Thomas Sankara.
Ashe.
Sandy Madden.
Ashe.
Ashe. Ashe.
Julius Nyerere.
Ashe. We give our shades to all our ancestors, known and unknown.
Ashe.
Marcus Garvey.
Ashe.
Harriet Tubman.
Ashe. Ashe. Ashe.
Denmark Best.
Ashe. Ashe.
Nat Turner.
Ashe. Ashe. Duty Boakman.
Ashe. Eddie Shabazz.
Ashe. 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 Coretta Scott King.
Ashe. Fannie Lou Hamer.
Ashe.
Now, last I say, we say for those that's unborn.
Ashe.
I say, we say for those that's yet to come, because we do want to speak in peace, of air of peace and tranquility. So those that the new generation come in can come in with the air of peace and tranquility with the war that's already been fought by us right now. So we say, I say together all our people.
Ashe. Any pregnant women. Ashe.
Ashe.
Black mothers. Ashe.
Ashe.
Open the portal. Ashe.
Ashe.
Ashe. Oh.
Ashe. Oh.
It's done.
Earlier today, y'all, we was at the slave dungeon, not slave dungeon, oh my God, I'm on two different planes right now. We was at the slave auction block. I've been focusing on after me and my wife been sitting in the house at 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, just trying to figure out what we're going to do for Kwanzaa. We just want to be a family type environment. Not so much as a program being put on. We want to start to introduce the youth to Kwanzaa so they can have a replacement. Not when I say replacement, I'm not talking about trying to put something in place of Christmas. Because we in here, we done with it. We way past that point right now. So we want to have something that enthusiasm spark in their mind so when the time starts to come, they get excited like we used to get excited for them presents.
Yes, yes.
Checking our parents off and, doing all that kind of craziness, not giving them the correct accolades they deserve for all that hard work that they put in.
That's right.
And for the ancestors putting them in place to do so for us. So, even with that being said, we're going to have a nice family environment. Baby, what you got next?
Okay, we're going to sing, lift every voice and sing. So, if you don't know the word, put it up on your phone right now. Come on, we're going to use them phones for more than just social media. We're going to use it and we're going to sing our Black National Anthem. Lift every voice and sing. Okay? So I'm going to give you a couple of, like a minute to do so. And when you're ready, just say Ashe. All right, to lead us in this song is my beautiful niece, Atia Aquia. Come on, give us some hands. Let's do that one more time. Atia Aquia.
Yes, indeed.
Make it big so you can see it, okay? All right. Lift every, stand up, please. And sing till earth and heaven ring. Ring with the harmonies of liberty. Let our rejoicing rise high as the listening All right, y'all can have a seat. All right. Habarigani!
Umoja.
Habarigani!
Umoja.
Habarigani!
Umoja.
Welcome. I'm glad to be here and I'm glad to be black.
Yes.
That is our theme tonight. And we're going to make the best of tonight because we don't have no other reason to be alive but because of the DNA that's running through our veins. That DNA has caused us to be here right now, wherever you stand at and you sit in 2019, December the 26th, right here at Nappi by Nature, only because you had one strong person, which was a woman.
I see.
I know you don't understand this, but we have been taught the wrong way. It is the woman. It is the black woman. It is the mother. It's the nurturer. She is the one. She is the one that helps us, that takes us through. She is the one that takes that DNA from years and hundreds of years and hundreds of years. It is that woman. And it's only because of one of those women that stepped off of that slave ship and birthed a baby and birthed another baby and birthed another baby and a baby was born after that and another baby was born after that and another one was born after that, and that's why I'm here. I'm 49 years old, and I'm proud to be 49, but it was because of my mother, Christine Lewis, her mother, Danny Lee Johnson, her mother, Sadie Perkins, her mother, Big Mama, I don't know her name, but I think about her all the time, but she was in direct slavery. She was on a plantation. She was picking cotton down here in Arkansas. She the one was picking cotton in Blytheville, Arkansas. It was her that birthed the child and still went on the plantation, picked cotton, then fed the slave masters children from her breast before she was able to feed her own. It was my big mama. Wherever she at, and the same thing goes for you. Every last one of us. It's because of that. It's because of the strong mom. Because she was able to feed us when we have nothing but breast milk. It's so many vitamins and minerals in breast milk. It's a shame that we're giving our children infamil. It's a shame that we're giving them infamil. What's the other one? Similac. It's a shame we're giving them Similac. Because it's more than it's almost 99 minerals and vitamins in a black woman's breast milk. The white woman only have a quarter of the amount of vitamins and minerals in her body. That's why she made us feed her children. That's why. Because she knew that if she fed them children on them little weak breasts, them babies wasn't going to survive. Especially these strong warriors that was coming up. And then let me tell you another thing. They don't tell you about the fights. They don't tell you about the rebellion. There was a lot of us rebelled. Just like we be talking about, oh, it couldn't have been me. I know I would have got killed. You know what I'm saying? We know. That's the same blood that run in us. There was a lot of us scheming in the dark. There was a lot of us making plans while Master and them slept. There was a lot of us making a way out of no way. There was a lot of us looking at the tree, trying to see which direction should we run to get free. We wanted freedom. We ain't just want to sit back and just let whatever happen to us. No, and we're not going to do it now. We bringing that spark back up because if it wasn't for them traveling for miles and miles on foot, through swamps, through grasslands, with no shoes on, where would we be? Where would we be? Where would I be? Where would we be? We have to understand. We have to think about these things when we fall into They didn't just give us freedom. Don't believe that bull. They didn't give us no freedom. It's because some of them slave masters' heads started popping off. That's why. We was cutting them up, killing everybody on the plantation, taking up our families and running. We got to run today. We got to turn into the Drapetomaniacs. It's a scientific name for people that wanted to run away. It's called Drapetomania. We the Drapetomaniacs, and we running away from the slave plantation. We're not taking it no more. We're not going to give this stuff to our children and let them deal with it. We got to understand what we got to do. We got a job on our hands. Before we get too old and tired, we got to set something straight up in here for them. I would never fail these children. I won't do it. You ever had something that you can say that you will never do? That's it. I'll never fail these children. I would never fail my children. And when I say mine, I'm talking about all these children. Every supremacy and not saying anything, we're going to confront it head on. And we're going to learn how to do it. And we're going to stand up for ourselves. We're going to stand up for our children. We're going to stop putting them in predicaments where they don't know how to deal with it by themselves. We're going to stand up. That's what we got to do. We're going to stand up tonight. Ashe?
Ashe.
Ashe?
Ashe.
Ashe.
Ashe. Oh.
Right.
So it's future. So you tell us you're tired of that black shit.
Yes.
That black shit, that black shit, that black shit. That means you're tired of that. Teach me something about myself back when my people used to walk with gazelles and drink fruit nectar from seashells and built our huts on horizons and earshot from Ivory Coast sea swells, and how at age 8 years old was identifying the aroma of how simmering lion steak smells, or how the crowning day of the life of a man child was him coming into his manhood, a young warrior at age 12, or how we used to map the stars, and how Shaman kept healing herbs in hand-blown glass jars, and how we were preserving and embalm our ancestors. Back when we had names that shook rooms like Shango or Goon, but nowadays you niggas is tired. You tired of that black shit, that black shit, that black shit. You want some good old boys, stay in your role, nigga, casserole. Served it with some chitlins and watermelon in a bowl, and if the price is right, hell yeah, you gonna sell your soul to get rich quick type shit. Never breaking your etiquette, speaking in public about government, religion, and especially that black shit, because they some new niggas. Ones who will fight for the right to live next door to that cockazoid dude to have him educate your children too. Swearing to the word there are no race barriers, just shades of gray hues. Believing that Abe Lincoln and the Constitution gave you some inalienable rights to use. Saying that people living in their projects is just slaves and they're there simply because they want to. Blonde weaving their hair, leeching out welfare, and living on Section 8 type bullshit. But no. So, I'm going to continue kicking that black shit. That open your eyes to revolutionary change, reparations is rightfully mine shit. That mind enlightened red, black, and green shit. That teach you are kings and queens, which explains our affinity for the finer things shit. That try to reverse this curse on our youth shit. That speak, educate, agitate the masses type shit. That Patrice Lumumba, Cola Booth, True, Malcolm, Martin, Mega was murdered and martyred for you type shit. See, this is that black knowledge, spit by a poetic prophet, a.k.a. that black shit.
Give it up for power, y'all.
Ashe. Oh.
All right, y'all, on to the next thing we want to talk about right quick, is DNA. We talked about this last Kwanzaa. We'll talk about this.